your shop, one of the biggest challenges is trying to manage the whole process. It takes on a life of its own. And honestly, I don't know how you could possibly run your shop every day effectively, do a good job, and also try to sell your shop. It literally takes on a life of its own and becomes a full-time job for whomever is handling the transaction. So I would really highly suggest that you consider hiring a professional to help you. And a lot of times people think, oh my gosh, this is just not in my budget. It's not something that, we can afford, or they're just really adverse to paying for professional fees. And when I talk to clients, I really want to bring home the thought that you're not paying for professional fees. You're really not. Our minimum fee is $65,000. And let's just say, for example, that was the professional fee to handle your deal. And we found you $300,000, then obviously there is no fee. It's built in, and we actually made you money that you would have never have had before. Plus, you've got a best friend that's holding your hand through the entire process, and someone that you can talk to that's been through the process. If you were working on your deal and you negotiated your rent to, let's just say, $12,000 a month, and we helped you and we found that we could get you another $1,000 a month in rent. So $1,000 difference between what you had negotiated and what we had negotiated, or we could negotiate for you. That is going to equate $1,000 a month. And over a 10-year time, that equals $100,000. Right there would cover your fee for our professional services. And that's just the literally icing or tip of the iceberg of monies that we find that are continuously left on the table. Unfortunately, most sellers have never sold a shop before, so they're not familiar with the process. It would be like trying to be a non-Tesla certified shop or technician and trying to hang a quarter panel and a uniside on a Tesla. You just couldn't do it. You don't have the training. You don't have the education. Every single person at Consolidation Coach has either owned a shop, has sold a shop, or has owned multiple shops and sold their shops. That's who we are. We're the only consulting firm in the industry that can say that. So if you're thinking about selling, really think about getting a professional and give us a call at Consolidation Coach, 301-399-8675, and ask for Laura. Thanks.